Beetroot chops are a delightful fusion of color, flavor, and texture, making them a standout snack or side dish. Made with a blend of grated beetroot, mashed potatoes, some aromatic spices, these cutlets are shaped into patties and deep fried or baked until crispy and golden. So let's make it. Take 4 medium-sized boiled potatoes. You can either mash them or grate them. Transfer to a bowl and set it aside. Peel and grate 2 medium-sized beetroots as well. Heat some oil in a pan. Add 1 finely chopped onion and saute until translucent. Add 2 to 3 chopped green chillies, grated beetroot, and cook for 5 minutes. Add in a few spices like cumin powder, garam masala, chaat masala, red chilli powder. Mix everything well and cook for a few more minutes. Now add in the grated potatoes and combine. Lastly, add salt, lime juice, a handful of chopped coriander and saute for a minute. Once it's done, transfer to a bowl and let it cool down completely. In the meantime, let's make a corn flour slurry. Take 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add a few tablespoons of water and mix well. The slurry should have a medium runny consistency, just enough to coat the patties. You'll also need 1 cup of breadcrumbs to coat the patties and 1 cup of grated cheese. It can be either cheddar or mozzarella or a mix of both. Take a big lemon-sized portion of the beetroot mixture, flatten it, put some grated cheese in the center, gently seal it, form a smooth ball and flatten it into a tikkie. Dip this in the corn flour slurry and then roll the coated patties in the breadcrumbs and coat it well. Do this for the rest of the mixture and arrange in a plate. You can store these tikkies for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator or freeze them for up to 3 months. Heat some oil for deep frying. Fry the tikkies in batches on medium flame. Flip gently and cook until evenly golden brown from both sides. Take it out from the oil and drain in a kitchen towel. Popular in Bengali cuisine, these cheesy beetroot chops are often served with spicy green chutney or tomato ketchup. A detailed recipe is in the description box below. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know if you liked it. I come up with new recipes every week, so do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next one.